sunshine dripping into streams. Rain falls on a bicycle, rust begins to gleam. Plants drink up the water, roots reach down below. Sunlight helps them grow up into flowers that glow. Beautiful flowers. Soap and water dancing, bubbles in the sink, blue and yellow mixing, green before you blink, fizzing and popping, bouncing all around. Chemistry is working everywhere